Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome to today's tutorial on Easyworship. Today, we are going to see how we can add Apostolic tree hymn database to our existing database or profile. So, first of all, we need to get the database downloaded from the link that will be provided. So, you contact us for the database through email, WhatsApp line, Telegram, or you call us, and then so once you open your Easy Worship 2009, Easy Worship 6, or Easy Worship 7, depending on the version that you are using, all you need to do is to get a file. But first of all, you install the font, the event font first. Once you are done with that one, what you do next is just I'm going to use try a template one that I've designed for showing you in the tutorial, but the real file is this one. So this is what you are going to get, but actually I will use this one. So first of all, when you get a file, you just drag it to your schedule window, depending, so all the songs will be loaded over here. And then when you are done, sorry, so you drag it, as I was saying, you drag it to your schedule window. This window is going to pop up. Then you check insert, add the song to the song database. You click on apply to or insert song. You click on the finish button. Now the songs have been added onto it, so we can go live and see. Let's try. And then when you are searching for the apostolic hymn, we have just created a shortcut for it, AH. So AH means apostolic hymn. Then we give you a space hymn 10. So it comes with the title, and then the title of the song, and then as well as the hymn number too as well. So it says Mekra Radia or whatever. So that is hymn 10. Then if you want the next verse to, you can double click to go live, as we can see here. Okay, so that is it. So let's try to do that in Easy Worship 6. So you need to get a database too for Easy Worship 6, but it's the same format and procedure you would have to use, but I still want to demonstrate it for you to know how it's been done. So currently this is the my default profile I want to add, or my profile I'm using. I want to add my database to it. So I just drag to the shadow window once again. Then I press Ctrl plus A to select all of them. I right click and I click on check shadow for changes. This window is going to pop up. Then I just click on import. So the same is to Easy Worship 7. So now let's search AH10. So we have it over here. Then we can go live. So you see it's same. Okay, it's same. Then another way of searching, if you are using Easy Worship 6, is that you can search for the lyrics. You see, I just type an opera, then it selected this one automatically. So you can do a search of the song by typing apostolic hymn, then space, then the number, hymn number, or you can simply search by using the a text phrase, a phrase in the title of the song to search. Likewise, the same thing applies to the Easy Worship 2009. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. So contact us for the via WhatsApp, the 026, the plus 336, or you can call us the MTN line or email us. Okay, thank you very much for watching.